Hello friends, in this video I will show you how can you check if anyone using SIM card on your ID. You can check it very easily in just 2 minutes. Okay, let's see friends, I show you how to check. First friends, you open Chrome browser. You writing here Sanchar Saathi and you see here first site. Click here. Scroll down. Click here. And friends, this interface open ready. Here you writing your mobile number and solve captcha. And click here. Click here. After that you receive one OTP. That OTP you writing here. And click to login. And here you will see all the SIM cards that are registered on your ID. If you find any SIM number that you are not using, you can report it. Click here. You see here downside have option report. Click here and submit the report. You can request to block that SIM card. So friends, you can easily check on the Sanchar Saathi website if someone using a SIM card in your ID or your name. You can block it very easily. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.